Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
Here's a flowchart for evaluating limits as x approaches a of f of x. First thing you're always going to do is you're going to plug in a, i.e. find f of a. There are essentially three different things that could happen. One, if you plug in f of a and you get a value, this is the best news of your life. You're done. You can celebrate, and the limit as x approaches a of f of x is equal to L.
Sadly, you won't run into this situation very often. The next possibility you could run into when you plug in a to f of x is ending up with 0 over 0. In this case, I usually think of it as indicating that you can simplify this somehow, whether that means factoring, using a conjugate, or finding common denominators. That depends on the problem. But once you simplify, you head back up and plug back in a and see where it takes you. The third option for what could happen when you plug in a is ending up with c over 0, where c is not 0. This 100% means you have a vertical asymptote in your function at x equals a, and because our function has to travel up or down that asymptote, we know the limit has to be infinity, negative infinity, or possibly does not exist. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.